against my window panes, hiding the sun away. Here comes that rain again, like an old cliche. It makes me feel like crying, makes me wish things weren't this way. I just can't help but remember those days now long gone, when you and I were together. But now, like a favorite song, it's over too soon. Your last quarter spent, and you spend the rest of your time trying to remember exactly how it went. Here comes that rain again, washing away the day, beating against my window pane, hiding the sun away. Comes that rain again, like an old cliche. It makes me feel like crying, makes me wish things weren't this way. It's funny, boy, the sun is out and shining bright. My mind is free with you, and things are alright. But the minute the sky is gray and I see a drop of rain, my mind is all filled with thoughts of you. Again, here comes that rain again, washing away the day, beating against my window pane, hiding the sun away. Here comes that rain again, like an old cliche. Makes me feel like crying,